Hi folks, this is a quick demo to show you how you can use BibSite to discover research and pedagogical materials related to your interests. For more information, check out the How to Use BibSite. Hi folks, this is a quick demo to show you how you can use BibSite to discover research and pedagogical materials related to your interests. For more information, check out the How to Use page of the BibSite website. There you'll find a breakdown of some of what this video covers, but also more information on searching geographies and the complexities of Library of Congress subject tags as related to BibSite functionality. So I am a person like you, who's interested in seeing what kind of resources are available on BibSite related to a topic. Where would I begin? First, we're going to start on the BibSite homepage, bibsite.org. Then we're going to use the main search bar on that homepage to search subject keywords such as wood engravings, or maybe descriptive bibliography, or the names of people like Ruggles, David, or topics like lesson plan. You can also search for time periods like 19th century, or geographic areas like Boston. Something that might be helpful is that the search bar is also Boolean search compatible. Putting words in quotes will help to specify your results, particularly if the phrase you're searching for contains two words like lesson plan. So let's see what happens when we search for newspapers. Look at that, we got 7 results. Now, if I was interested in a really specific topic, I could search multiple keywords at once, like newspapers and bibliography. Still get those 7 results. However, if you include an or between your search terms, so newspapers or bibliography, your results will include material that is tagged with either keyword. So we're up to 60 results now. So going back to just newspapers, another way we can narrow down our results would be to use the filters provided on the results page. Resource type will help us filter by information mode, i.e., is the text a data set, a moving image, a still image, etc. RBMS vocabulary will help us filter by the linked data controlled vocabulary set edited by the Rare Books and Manuscript section of the American Library Association. We included this facet because RBMS terms are helpful, but they do not cover every bibliographical instance that might be useful to folks using BibSite. This is part of the reason why BibSite also uses tags and emphasizes keyword searching. The language filter will help us filter our results by the language the resource is in, not the language that it's about, the language that it's in. And similarly, chronological coverage applies to the date range the resource covers, not the date the resource was created or published. You can either type in your dates, so 1950, or use the slider underneath to the search bar to narrow that range. But whatever you do, make sure to hit the apply button once you've entered your desired range. Lastly, the collection toggle will help us differentiate between research and pedagogical tools. And there you have it, a quick overview of how to search BibSite. As always, if you have questions or comments about BibSite, please use the feedback form to get in touch with our team. Thanks so much.